How can I set my TikTok live wallpaper with sound on my phone?
Hey there! Welcome to this video on how to set a TikTok live wallpaper with sound on your phone. If you're a TikTok enthusiast like me, you probably want to bring some of that TikTok magic to your phone's wallpaper. Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to set up a TikTok live wallpaper with sound on your phone. So let's get started.
Check device compatibility.
Before we dive into the process, it's important to ensure that your device is compatible with TikTok live wallpapers with sound. Not all devices support this feature, so make sure you have a smartphone that meets the necessary requirements. It's best to check your phone's specifications or consult the manufacturer's website to confirm compatibility.
Install TikTok app.
To set up a TikTok live wallpaper with sound, you'll need to have the TikTok app installed on your phone. If you don't already have it, head over to your App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS, and search for TikTok. Download and install the app to proceed.
Choose a TikTok video.
Once you have the TikTok app installed, open it up and browse through the content until you find a video that you'd like to set as your live wallpaper. You can explore various categories, hashtags, or even search for specific videos using keywords.
Access video options.
When you've found the video you want to use as your live wallpaper, tap on it to open it in full screen mode. Next, look for the Share button on the right side of the screen. It usually appears as an arrow pointing to the right.
Set as live wallpaper.
After tapping on the Share button, a menu will pop up with various sharing options. Scroll through the options until you find one that says, Set as live wallpaper, or something similar. The exact wording may vary depending on your device and operating system.
Adjust wallpaper settings.
Once you've selected the Set as Live Wallpaper option, your phone's wallpaper settings menu will open up. Here, you can adjust the live wallpaper settings according to your preferences. You might be able to choose the start and end points of the video, enable or disable sound, and even control the loop duration.
Apply the live wallpaper.
After you've customized the live wallpaper settings, simply tap the Apply or Set button to set the TikTok video as your live wallpaper. Your phone's home screen or lock screen, or both, depending on your settings, should now display the TikTok video as a live wallpaper with sound. That's it. You've successfully set up a TikTok live wallpaper with sound on your phone. Now, whenever you unlock your device or glance at your home screen, you'll be greeted by a dynamic TikTok video playing in the background. Enjoy the immersive experience and show off your TikTok spirit to everyone who sees your phone. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. See you next time!